We head to Schots Home Emporium in Melbourne to check in with Jessie Raeburn for some tips and tricks you can use in your own home.
You only get one chance to make a first impression, so make it count. And what better way to leave that lasting impression with these handmade wrought iron doors. Not only does it look good, like me, it's also super practical, like me. The glass is double glazed, so it's extremely energy efficient, and you are able to open and close that to let the air flow through the house. The door itself has also been insulated with foam, so it's going to stop the heat transfer. Often you have to make the decision between form and function. But with the wrought iron door, you do get the best of both worlds. It offers security with the impenetrable iron bars. It also has the double glazed glass, which allows the natural light to filter into the home. If you're like me and you're looking to add that little bit of extra personality to your door, there's a huge range of hardware and handles to choose from.